Hello everyone, my name is Naman Sharma. I'm an NRI student from Muscat, Oman. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in business administration, majoring in cargo logistics and supply chain management at lovely professional university. As an NRI student, I was looking for a university in India that offers global exposure along with industry-focused education. LPU stood out for its strong academic structure, modern facilities, and internationally relevant programs. The Cargo and Logistics Management program is very practical and industry oriented. We learn through real life case scenarios, simulations, and interactive classroom sessions, which help us understand global trade, supply chain operations, and logistics management. LPU provides a very welcoming environment for NRI and international students. The faculty members are approachable, and the campus culture makes it easy to adapt and feel at home. My experience at LPU has been both enriching and career focused. If you're an NRI student looking to build a strong foundation in business and logistics, I would highly recommend Lovely Professional University.